How to fix suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. So if you want to fix the suspicious login attempt on Snapchat, then what you can do is open up your Snapchat application at first. Once you've opened, it will take you to the login page. And now you need to enter your username or your email address on the first blank. Once you've entered, you need to enter your password on the next. But if you want to fix the suspicious login attempt on Snapchat, then you need to simply reset your password. So for that, what you need to do is tap on forgot your password, and then you can choose your phone number or your email address to reset your password. So for example, I'll be choosing phone so that I'll receive a verification code to my phone number. And if you have chosen email, then you will receive the verification code to your email. So tap on submit, and then you will receive a code. And that's it. That's how you can fix your suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. You just need to reset your password and then log back into your account, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.